Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technology Glance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can select wallpaper on Opera Mini. So let's get started. Firstly, open Opera Mini browser in your device, then tap on Opera icon, next tap on settings, then tap on personalization, then you can see the option of wallpaper, tap on more, then select wallpaper of your choice. Then tap on set wallpaper, then check once. So this is how you can change wallpaper on Opera Mini. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.